If you want to make text and buttons easier to see on X, formerly Twitter, you can turn on a setting called Increase Color Contrast. This is a quick accessibility option that can make the interface feel sharper and easier to read. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. To get started, open X in your browser or app and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More. This opens up the full menu with additional settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once the settings page opens, find and select Accessibility, Display and Languages. This section controls many of the visual and usability options for your account. Next, click Accessibility. Inside this menu, you'll see the option for Increase Color Contrast. All you need to do now is toggle it on. As soon as you turn it on, X will apply the higher contrast display setting, making elements on the screen stand out more clearly. That's it. The change happens right away, and you can leave it on anytime you want a more visible and easier to read interface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses X and might need this accessibility feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.